Rodney Tatum of Detailed Image. Here are 3 quick glass cleaning tips. Credit to Jim White of White Details for the first tip. Glass cleaning became significantly easier when I made it a habit to wear gloves, especially after a long day of detailing. The problems with streaks and smudges often come from oily hands. Number 2, use plenty of quality microfiber towels. Again, don't fight yourself. Third tip, there comes a point when cleaning glass effortlessly seems to get more difficult. It may be time to either use a detailing clay bar or a polish to effectively clean the road grime and bonding contamination. This is particularly the case on the top and windshields of cars. Bonus tip, ceramic coatings also make glass easier to clean.